Designing for highly available and scalable applications. Interested in finding out more about the best way to develop distributed applications that are both stable and scalable? In this session, we'll look at the best practices concerning distributed application development. We're going to begin with a design for highly available and highly scalable applications. This will be a general overview of some of the architectural considerations you have to put in place in order to ensure that later on your system is as scalable and as stable as possible. We'll continue with planning and design scalable applications, and here we'll talk about the specifics of our software in this environment and the best ways and best practices in when to use certain applications parts and when not to. The best practices with respect to that. We'll finish up with analyzing application performance and deployments. In this we'll talk about load balancers, monitoring, performance monitors, SIL Performer, different kinds of applications to help you analyze your application post-deployment. My name is Tom Citroniti. I'm a software engineering manager and product architect. Been working at MapInfo for over 9 years. I hope you get a chance to join us at MapWorld in Seattle for the premiere of the MapInfo Developer Summit.